Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And here under this playlist guys, we are going to cover only advanced concepts of Power BI in detail. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about cascading filters or slicers. I hope now you guys are clear with the concept of cascading filters and slicers. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about one more advanced concept of Power BI. And this question is also asked in an interviews. So our today's class topic is, what is the difference between slicers and filters? So firstly guys, let's understand the difference with practical, and after that we will also compare the difference of slicers and filters. So let's move towards the Power BI desktop screen and understand the difference of slicers and filters with practical. So here we have entered in Power BI desktop screen, and you guys can clearly see we have created a small report here under this Power BI desktop, where I have taken few visuals like pie chart, stack chart, 2 slicer visuals and 1 card visual. And here I have displayed country wise price, product wise price, and here under these 2 slicer visual guys, I have taken country field and product field. And this is the total price which we have taken here under this card visual. And all the data guys I have taken from this sales fact table. I have not used any dimension table here. So firstly guys, let me click any value here under this slicer. So let's suppose I will select this China from here. So here we can see the moment I click China from this slicer, the entire view has changed. I can only see the China specific things. Like here are the products which we have only related to China. And this is the total price of China country, which is 1922. You can also see the same pricing here. And let's suppose guys, if you want to filter any specific value, let's suppose this time I want to filter this US country. So let me click here on this USA. So here I can see all the products which are related to USA. And I can also see the total price only for this USA. So in this way, we can use this slicer visual. And now guys, let's talk about this filter pane. So what I will do guys, let me simply select this country field from here and drag and drop it here under this filter on this page. And this time I want to filter my page only with this China country. So what can I do guys? I will simply select value from here. So let me click here on this China. So I can clearly see the moment I click China from here, so my entire report is filtered only with China specific location. And let's suppose guys, if you want to filter your report any other specific country, let's say this time we will filter this report with USA. So what I will do, let me uncheck this China from here and simply select USA. So I can clearly see my report is filtered with only USA. So right now there is no such difference between filter and slicers. Either you guys can use slicer or filter. Both will work in the same way. And let's suppose guys, if you want to filter the sales more than 2 countries together, so what you need to do, simply select the next country name, let's say Sri Lanka. And now I can see my report is filtered with Sri Lanka as well as USA. And now let me select all. And the same thing guys, you can also do with the help of slicer. Let's say USA and press Control click. So I can filter my report of both the countries with the help of slicer visuals as well. So you guys can filter your report with the help of slicer or filter pane. And now guys, let's talk about the differences. So what I will do, let me uncheck all the values from here. And now guys, I will use one more feature of Power BI report, which name is Edit Interaction. And this feature guys, we have already studied in Power BI full course playlist. Those who have missed that playlist guys, so I would recommend, before watch this advanced concept playlist, firstly you need to complete your Power BI full course playlist. And now guys, I will apply edit interaction here. So firstly what I will do, let me select any visual from this report and simply go here under this format pane. And here you can see the option of edit interaction. So with the help of edit interaction feature guys, you can stop the interaction of any of the visual. So let me select this option from here. So here we can see the moment I select edit interaction, I can see 3 interactions are here on all the visuals. So this one is none, the second one is highlight, and the third one is filter. So here I am not gonna explain edit interaction concept in detail. If you want to understand the edit interaction in detail, just follow this Power BI full course playlist and you will get that video over there in the playlist. And this time guys, what I need to do, I need to stop the interaction of this pie chart visual. So what I will do, let me simply click this none button. And now guys, what I will do, I will simply go here under this country slicer and I will check this China value from here. So see guys, my other visuals are interacting except this country-wise pricing. So I have stopped the interaction of this visual with the help of edit interaction feature. And if you try to filter any other value, so let's say this time I will select USA. So see guys, my other visuals are interacting, but there is no impact here under this pie chart because we have stopped the interaction of this pie chart. And now guys, let me uncheck this USA from here. This time I will use this filter pane to interact my visuals. So let me scroll it down and simply click this select all. So I have removed all the selection from here. So let's suppose I want to see only India specific sale. So let me click here on this India button guys. So here we can see the moment I select India from this filter pane. So this visual is also interacting. Although we have applied edit interaction here under this visual. So this is the main difference guys between filters and slicers. If you use slicer visual with edit interaction, so that visual will not interact where you have applied edit interaction. But the moment you go here under this filter pane and if you try to filtering the things with the help of this filter pane, so you can see that visual will also work where you have applied edit interaction. And if I again try to use this slicer visual guys, so here we can see there is no impact here under this visual. So I hope now you guys are clear with the first difference of slicers versus filters. And now let's discuss some more points of slicers and filters. So here are the points guys. Slicer is one of the visual which you can take from the visualization pane to refine your values. But filter pane is not a visual you can find on the filter pane. And there are three types of filters like report level, visual level and page level. And this thing guys we have also discussed in Power BI full course playlist. Please go and watch that playlist. And now let's talk about the next difference which we have already seen with the help of practical. If you have applied edit interaction to restrict the interaction in any of the visual, so in such case slicer visual will not work. On the other hand guys, although the edit interaction is on, still you can filter the values with the help of filter pane. And now let's talk about some more points. With the help of slicer guys, you are allowing the end user to filter out anything in the report because it's user friendly and we can easily see on the report page. On the other hand guys, we need to open filter pane and go there to refine their values. And last but not the least, slicer improve the report rendering and filter slows report rendering because you apply filter which you have already applied. So these are the important points guys which you can easily elaborate in the front of interviewer if they ask the difference of slicers versus filters. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And those who wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so you guys can follow this free YouTube channel which name is Analytics Pro. And if you scroll it down guys, so here you guys can see we have a full course Power BI playlist where I have explained each and every concept about Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so you guys will get to see multiple playlists are here. This is the Power BI full course playlist and these are the advanced concepts of Power BI where you guys can take the knowledge of advanced concepts of Power BI. And we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can learn all the concepts of SQL from scratch. So you guys can start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel. And along with that guys, we have this visualization playlist and we have this DAX expression playlist where we have covered most of the DAX functions from scratch which are majorly used in your projects. And here under this playlist, I am also trying to cover all the differences of DAX functions which is majorly asked in an interviews. And very soon guys, I will add some more playlists so that you guys can take better understanding of the analytical skills. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone. But those who are looking only live sessions, so we guys also conduct live training and sessions where we prepare candidates from scratch till intermediate level with some scenarios, real-time projects, assignments, notes and so on. And we also provide placement assistance with the help of WhatsApp group where you will get to see some HR emails, contact number and so on. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. So all the links I will share under the description box. You guys can follow us there. So for free learners guys, you guys can follow this Analytics Pro, and for the live training and sessions, you guys can connect me any of the platform. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.